Okay, so now we're gonna use together low light techniques with your learn CQB techniques, which you learned before on CQB courses. So just make sure you understand this. What you're gonna do, it's in low light conditions. There's darkness right here. Okay, so some things what I'm gonna demonstrate you cannot do in the normal daylight, or where is the just standard light with lights on the roof or something. So couple things just come as in the standard CQB. So just go in the hallway, but you use the lights as we showed you before. So just use it like a strobo, and then you move. So you can see there's a doorway. So you just light it on it, and you just move somewhere. Okay, you can just move your hand, light again, and you are closer to the door again. Now you know you are very close, so you can start to slice the pie. Actually, just make sure your hand is very far from the head. So you just don't do it like that. It's a very common mistake. So many guys, they do this and that, very close to the head. If somebody start to shoot, yeah, he can hit you very soon. So make sure it's far from your head. Okay, and then you just do this. Okay, same thing as you do the standard slicing the pie in CQB. So you just move, and you just check, let's say 90% or 90 degrees of the room. Now you are here, okay, and you wanna check that one, right? But okay, you can do this, but you are so exposed because you are alone. So what we're gonna do is move right there. So imagine again, here's darkness, okay, there's no light. So you just got the pie here, and you just move right here. You just cross the doorway. You can see it's 1 second only, and there's darkness, nobody can see it. They can hear it, but you are already here, all right? And right now, if you imagine what I told you before, we have to transition the gun and the light. If you don't do it, you will be like, whoa. So that's why we just transition the gun and light, and you do the same thing from here, okay? 90 degrees again. So you do slide the pie, okay? And then you are here, okay? You know there was a door. So you probably don't see it if you wanna check the doors, if you wanna check the corners, right? Because as you know from the CQB, if you check everything by the by the slicing pie, if you see everything, you don't see the corners. Right here, there is a door. Okay, you know it because you were there, right? Okay, you can check this one as well, but you probably see just the door, right? There's a small gap, you can check it, but mostly you're gonna check that one, right? So you can just switch your hands, okay? You can do the slide by back, and now what we're gonna do again, the second technique I wanna show you, the new one, we call a quick peek. So you just kneel down right here, you prepare your pistol like in a self-defense somewhere, so you can shoot somebody from here, okay? You kneel down, okay? You prepare your light right here, so it's far from your head, so make sure if somebody will start to shoot, he doesn't shoot you to the head. Next thing, you prepare light, you look there to the corner actually, and then you just switch on, switch off. So you move back. If there's any corner or any cover, just go behind cover. And if you remember the Polaroid camera, so you made a picture and you need a few seconds just to make it, right? Wow, it's a nice picture. Same thing here, just check, move back behind the corner or something. Whoa, now we just, all clear, I can go in. Okay, and now you can just enter in. Okay, this is what we're gonna do now. All right, everybody try this. Enter the room, that's it. by again. 90 degrees. So there was a door, you've probably seen it. So just move here, go down, slide up, prepare the button, look, switch on, go back behind the corner. Now just realize what you've seen. If there is nothing, you can just press right there and you are in the room. Now we can go.